Right, 1, 2, 3, start. Right, ma'am and sir, you both are undertaking a course on Milvest all together. So how is it now once you are studying together?
It's a great experience because not only us, our daughters are also doing it. So
And who
the
does
whole
that?
family is doing it.
Great. And how do you like all sit together and go through the classes or
No, not together in our own comfort
you're in your
zones.
own comfort zones?
Both daughters are attending from their respective rooms in their
Right now from their college rooms.
yeah.
And who does the assignments first? Who is the fastest
He
finger?
is the most motivated in all four of us.
Who does the quiz first?
Everything he's doing first. He's only pushing us.
And then who answers the queries at home?
Queries.
If you have any query
It
about the
depends.
course, so he asks you also.
Yes. Mostly to my daughters, not me.
But that is great, isn't it, ma'am?
It has become a family affair now, even if we are going somewhere out, he's driving, he keeps telling, messaging us, please join on time, don't miss the class.
So that is a family break,
Yes.
which we hardly find in our daily routine.
It has become an important part, every alternate day.
And then who does the daily course at that particular time? It is a total break,
I
it's
have
a
to
blackout.
plan, it's a blackout. No phone calls, nothing. So you're all on standby, He keeps an eye on everybody. Kya ho raha hai? Even if sometimes the network goes out, so he starts messaging, log out ho gaya.
So let's say there is an emergency call. Then who is now responsible to disconnect and log out and then take the call?
Basically, the backup is there. So emergency call is being taken in the mobile because I am basically using the laptop for that. The most of the class.
So you have already planned the backup as well.
No, mostly his video is on. Our videos are off, so we can do that.
So you already planned the backup as well.
Yes, he is, I would like to say Milvest has become part of his life. He sleeps late nights. Sab kuch finish, he has to finish everything, quiz, everything. He was so excited to come here, Initially, I was not very keen to come here.
Now let's say
But
what
then-
happens is that one is studying and one is not. And one has got a immediate requirement of to have a glass of water. So जो भी नहीं पढ़ रहा उसको, you at least he goes or she goes.
Then
Now what happens
I'm
with you
the
all?
one, I'm the one.
You have to sacrifice the time.
No. I do it on my own wish, no sacrificing. Because he's recording also, so if anybody misses up on anything, we can just see it again.
I think that this kind of learning environment has changed the environment at home as well.
Yes,
Yeah, that is it.
our life has changed, definitely.
So just one course and things have changed so much.
Yes.
So that is how the
In the
Milvest.
course, we have started other things also. Like we did the Excel program, then we did Power BI. So all four of us have been involved in that. And then I
What
could
about
do-
those extra activities?
Like,
Like what we had picture-a-thon, we had the yoga day, we are coming with.
so he
many
was
more-
in that editor group of magazine.
No,
Very
what?
excited.
So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
इसको
much.
अभी edit करके that